John Gajoni back here at Earthworks again with a really cool project. Really cool clients as well. This is a neighborhood we're in quite a bit. In this one, a lot of builder plants were still in place that when the house was built. So you can imagine how it looks over 20 years. So it just needed a spruce up and a facelift. And I worked with the customers here to get a more untraditional design, get away from the boxy and the hedgy look of everything and get a more free-flowing landscape in place that can't be hedged and squared. So just thinking about that, thinking about the water feature ideas and then the textures of the plants and the lighting at night, and all of it is an aspect that's viewed from the street, and the water features lined up with the front door. So all that's a pre-thought out thing. It echoes within the entrance. You can sit there and it's amazing how that thing ended up. It was just a thought, but it really turned out awesome. A couple different teams came together on that project and to make it what it is. So as you see that finished project, it was a lot of different heads thinking about that. They also became the maintenance clients. So we've got peace of mind that all that's going to be maintained the proper way. Find us, follow us, and come to the garden center and just walk around and enjoy your day. Sign up for a consult today with any of our designers. Look for me, John Gajoni. We'll be glad to help you guys out. Thanks.